well, it's been a little bit of time since I did a walkthrough for everybody, so I'm going to show you all what the house looks like right now. Contractors came today and finished tearing off some stuff, so we're getting some rain. So it's obviously raining through our house at this moment. So we've got our pretty wood floors that are pretty well getting covered. We've got, so all the kitchen and stuff is all tore out. No more bathroom. Now it's all open into the outside. These pretty logs heading into our living room space. Heading upstairs. Hopefully there'll be more to come soon, guys. We're heading out here in the rain because, well, our cows are buttholes and decided that they were going to hop over into our neighbor's fence. So now we have to do some fence fixing. Hey, girl. Fixing of the fence and the hay. Look at them hose buckets. Hussies.
Can I have that?
Yeah.
I'm sorry. It's not my fault.
Oh, Lord.
Welcome to being a farmer.